Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create iCloud mail account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for iCloud. Once you've done that, simply click on iCloud Mail, which you can see right over here. Once you're in this page, all you need to do is click on this sign in button. And once you do that, simply write create Apple account or just tap on that button. And now simply go ahead and enter your information right over here. Enter your region, enter your birth date, and then simply go ahead and give it a name. Simply give it a password as well. So enter a valid email address, as you can see it says. So let me just go ahead and do that. And then simply go ahead and enter your password, confirm your password, write your number here, and it will simply go ahead and send you a verification code and your account will be ready. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.